Hello guys, this is Mac Elves. Today I'll be giving you a quick overview about this program, APS, or Ascending Profit System ng Unity Network. So at the same time, ituturo ko rin kayo sa back office ng APS. So ito po yung main page ng APS. So as you can see, this is mine. Hi Elves, congratulations and welcome to 10-step training and Ascending Profit System. So, yung pinaka main focus ng program kasi dito, itong APS, is a type of affiliate program, and at the same time, nagbibigay sila ng training for your success into your business po. So regardless if you're doing this program itself, APS, or you have any other type of program, online or offline businesses, so pwede mo itong i-apply yung mga training na tinuturo nila dito. So, ano ba itong mga 10-step training na meron yung APS? So, check natin. So, step 1 is the secrets of the internet millionaires. Step 2, yung shortcut to success by leveraging the proven system. Step 3, what to sell to have a profitable business online. Step 4, what is the most important income for a business. Step 5, how to earn your first million much faster. So, ituturo nila dito yan, mga strategies or ways para ma-meet mo yung goal mo. So, step number 6. So, how to properly position your business for future and long-term success. And 7, how to think like a millionaire, business owners. So, tinuturo nila dito yung proper mindset, personal development. Step number 8, how to level up your business to double or triple your income without doing any additional effort. So, maganda to. So, parang ginagawang how to double, triple your business without doing any additional effort. So, parang automated talaga siya. So, step number 9 is how to earn 200,000 and 2 million in 1 year or less with APS and Unity Network. So, tuturuan nila dito paano mo meet itong amount na to within a year or less. And lastly, step number 10 is how to start using your APS money making machine to start your earning big upfront, residual, and back-end commission. So, aside po dito sa 10-step training ng APS, so hindi lang po ito yung makukuha nyo sa once you join this APS program. Kasi yung value nitong isip-isipin nyo po, actually kung gagawa ka ng sariling system mo, is it will cost you about siguro nasa 100,000 pesos siguro, more or less po. So, check po natin yung total value ng program na ito na binibigay ng APS. So, ito po yung 10-step training program and business system. Okay, so once you purchase the product, ito po yung makukuha mo. Okay, total is around 6 benefits na makukuha mo sa APS. So, number 1, yung 10-step training na pinakita ko kanina. Then, number 2 is one-on-one coaching. So, may sarili kang coach. So, as you can see guys, ito, 10-step training, value nito pa lang is 10,000 pesos. So, one-on-one coaching value nito is 10,000 pesos rin. So, number 3 na benefit na makukuha mo is done for you system or DFY or done for you system. So, ipapagaan ko sa yung online business system na ginawa ko ng owner. Gumastos ako ng multiple millions para magawa ito. Pero kasama ito sa mga benefits mo once maging partner tayo. So, isipin nyo guys, worth 20,000 pesos itong system na mismo ng APS. So, number 4 na benefit makukuha mo is payment and fulfillment system. So, one for you product fulfillment, payment processing, at saka may sarili kang customer service. So, yan, ang value pa lang yan is 10,000 pesos. So, number 5 is yung sales team. So, magagamit mo din ang sales team namin. So, ng community or ng team. Tutulungan kanila para makapag-close ka ng malaking sales sa business mo. Ang value itong mismong benefit na to is worth 10,000. And last, number 6 benefit is yung 30 TIP. TIP stands for ay Traffic Implementation Program po. So, dito mo matutunan kung paano at kung saan ka makakanap ng mga customers. So, total value niyan po is 10,000. Kung isip-isipin po natin, itong benefit number 1 hanggang benefit number 6, yung total value po niyan is nasa 70,000 po or more. Okay, pero hindi po tayo sisingilin dyan na 70,000 or 50,000 di rin. Ang initial investment lang po natin dyan at one time na kailangan natin is 2,990 pesos lang po. One time lang po yan. So, as you can see, there's a warning. So, limited lang application at tanggapin namin. Kasi limited lang kasi ang mga available coaches namin ngayon. Kapag puno ng schedule ng coaches namin, so hindi na kami makapagtanggap ng mga bagong application. So, very limited lang po to. So, you know guys, I'm also a fan of training online, and with this kind of value na 2,990 pesos is sulit na po talaga to. Okay, so other programs na they offer, it will cost you about $500 to $1,000 po. So, pero itong APS, napakasulit, one-time fee, wala kang isipin na monthly recurring fees. So, 2,990 pesos po. Ang gagastusin natin one time lang. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung success ko or yung result ko using this program, APS at maging kabilang sa Unity Network. So, ito na po yung back office ng Unity Network. Check ko lang ha. Okay, so this is me, Elbs Esteng dyan po. So, ako po yan. So, dito po tayo nga sa leaderboards. Ipapakita lang sa inyo yung result ko na okay, nakabilang ako dito sa leaderboard within less than a week of doing this program and taking action. So, as you can see, ito yung leaderboard, mga affiliates na nag-top. Okay, so last 30 days, makikita mo. Okay, so yesterday, okay, ito, nasa top 3 ako dito. Okay, so very lang po, nakakatuwa tsaka medyo nakakaganang loob. Okay, kasi among all the thousands of members na nandito bilang sa program na to, makikita mo pangalan mo dyan as nasa leaderboard. Very nakakataba ng puso talaga. Okay, so sa leaderboard, so top prepare ng nasa number 3 ako yesterday. In terms naman sa top income earner, okay, so yesterday also nasa number 3 ako. So yan, yan yung pangalan ko. Okay, so halos lahat dito mga top income earner to is considered mga super affiliates to sila. Okay, malaki na rin mga kinita nito. So, ito mismo yung back office ng APS or Ascending Profit System. So, ito, makikita nyo mukha ako dito. Ako yan. Okay? Kita ko, mas-zoom in ko ba to? Hindi ko ata, yun. Ako yan. Okay? So, this is me. At back office ko po yan. So, sa APS, so ito yung makikita mo sa on top of this menu button sa taas. So, yun nga, makikita mo yung 10 steps training. So, you will undergo this type of training po. So, you need to do all this training para maintindihan mo talaga paano yung program. Then, they will also teach you this 30-day traffic or the traffic implementation program, yung TIP po. Then, in terms of coaching, so ito, magkakaroon ka ng one-on-one coaching with your coach. Ito yung coach ko, si Coach Paulo. Nakapag-schedule na naman sa kanya ng one-on-one coaching session. So, these are the different type of coaching na meron sila. If you do some upgrades po, but not necessary po kung I suggest focus muna kayo dito sa basic ng APS and tapusin nyo lahat ng training before you do some upgrades po. So, meron silang gold coaching, titanium coaching, at itong platinum coaching. So, how to upgrade, ito yung instruction na makikita nyo dito kung mag-upgrade kayo into the next level. Okay? So, ito yung back office ng APS. And you can see some testimonial from other affiliates or members ng program ito. Ito si Coach Jonathan. So, I made a 267,800 using the automated proven system. Malaking tulong ito sa pamilya ko at sa mga anak ko. So from Bohol, si Sir Jonathan. Actually, si Coach Jonathan is naka-inspire story nito kasi former farmer to siya, magsasaka, and now is a internet marketer. And one of the top income earner ng Unity Network at saka itong APS. At ito naman si Coach Raymond Tabaque. In 2 months, kumita ako ng 72,200 buong buo sa paggamit ng system na to. Kumita na ako ng 346,700. Dati nagbabaka sakali lang ako pero sinubukan ko lang. Nakakatuwa pag sinundan mo siya step by step, magkakaroon ka talaga ng progress. So ito ay isa sa mga coach ko, si Coach Raymond Tabaque. So ito po yung APS po. So Ascending Profit System. Okay, so if you want to learn more about this program, APS, so just drop me a message in Facebook. And if you're watching this in YouTube, I'll be leaving my Facebook link in the description below. And I'll be also putting a link ng pre-video training niya po, na just in case you need some trainings, pre-video training po to, 100% free for you to watch po. Okay? So I hope you have learned something in this video. Okay, so talk to you soon, guys. Bye for now.